The Trek FX Plus 7S stands out in a crowded commuter e-bike market by truly delivering on the promise of a lightweight, subtle, almost analog riding experience. Designed for riders who want electric assistance without losing the natural feel of pedaling, this bike enhances effort rather than replacing it. Its quiet and smooth mid-drive motor provides support that feels intuitive and restrained, making acceleration feel faster and climbs easier while still keeping the rider fully engaged. Weighing around 42 pounds, it is noticeably lighter than most full-size commuter e-bikes, which translates into nimble handling, quick responsiveness, and confident balance in urban riding. A carbon fork sharpens steering precision while also damping road vibrations, adding comfort on longer commutes. Visually, the bike is sleek and modern, with clean internal cable routing, integrated lights, and a discreet built-in display that avoids clutter. Practical features are thoughtfully integrated, including a quad-lock-compatible stem that allows riders to mount and charge a smartphone, and app connectivity that adds navigation, ride tracking, and system control through Trek's digital ecosystem. The 360 watt-hour battery offers a realistic range of roughly 19 to 39 miles depending on terrain and assist level, and riders who need more distance can add an optional range extender to boost capacity by about 44%. Overall, the FX Plus 7S is best suited for cyclists transitioning from traditional bikes who want a seamless electric upgrade that still feels like just you, only faster. While it may not target budget shoppers or those seeking maximum versatility, it excels as a refined premium commuter from Trek that prioritizes ride feel, balance, and understated performance.